So let's check out the price sites. You can see here that I have CoinGecko on the top and CoinMarketCap, and then last CryptoCompare. The most normal that people are using is CoinGecko, and then also CoinMarketCap. Let's check out cryptocurrency prices at CoinGecko. So today we see Bitcoin is a little down on the 24 hours. Ethereum also. We can check out the top ones here. If we just click on Bitcoin, we'll see important stuff like the circulation supply, how many tokens do they have out or coins in this situation, and then total supply, 21 million. You can also look for great details as like Twitter and the Facebook, and very important, the block explorer, where you check all the transactions on different wallets here and websites. Every time I look for links like Explorer or Twitter or website, I always go to CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap and then search the coin or ticker. This is the ticker, BTC, to make sure that I always land on the right sites, just because there are so many scams out there. Yes, so we have that covered. We can also look at the prices here. With Bitcoin, we can look at the 24 hours. We can also look at 1 month. Yes, it's going up and down. But max is more fun, right? If you were here in the start, it would be some wild rides. You go back, click the logo, can also look at the term. It's the same. It also has markets where you can see different exchanges. What's the price? There's a little bit price difference between the top ones like Binance and FTX, Bitfinex, and so on. Let's check crypto prices on CoinMarketCap. So here we have the same kind of overview. If you click here, you can see volume, you can see the charts, and they have some like a comment section where people are making comments each day. We can also look at markets like before with CoinGecko and historical data, where you can see the opening price and the closing price yesterday. That's also a good way to check out the coin or token you're looking out for. More info like total holders. Here we can see that 43 million are holding a Bitcoin. Not bad. Yes, and CryptoCompare. It's just the top ones it shows here, right? But it has more if you view all coins. Yes. Here you can search the ticker, Ethereum, and then it will come up. The same with CoinGecko, Ethereum, boom. Possibly Flow, right? Some other interesting projects. And that's basically it. Community, articles, maybe interesting. Ethereum, CoinGecko, learn crypto, also interesting. Yes, that's basically it for now. Thanks for tuning in. Have a great day. Bye.